Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with finding and opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and tap on the display. Now let's scroll down again to localize the screen timeout and tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest option available in this device, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 5 minutes, and after getting back we can see that it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.